K Drama Fanatics here, and welcome back to my channel. Upcoming Korean drama this October 2023. Number 1, Duna. Is an upcoming TV series that is based on the webtoon of the same name by Min Song-ah. It is also first acting role for Yang Sejong since he completed his military service from May 2020 to November 2021. Duna will tell the story about an ordinary college student, Wonjun, become roommates at a share house with Duna, a retired K-pop idol who leaves behind her glamorous days. Bae Suzy will play the role as Lee Duna. She used to be the main vocalist of a popular K-pop idol group but suddenly announces her retirement and stays in a share house near a university. Yang Sejong will play the role as Wonjun, a college student who is extremely ordinary and has nothing much to show off, but becomes Duna's safe place with his warm and pure heart. The drama will be directed by director Lee Jung-yoo, who helmed the dramas Crash Landing on You, Romance is a Bonus Book, and A Good Wife. Duna is a romance series that will air in Netflix with 9 episodes, premiere on October 9, 2023. Starring Bae Suzy, Yang Sejong, Lee Yoo-bi, and Park Se-won. Number 2, Castaway Diva, also known as Diva of Deserted Island, is a romantic comedy series that revolves around a girl who dreams of becoming a diva. She won at a UCC competition and goes to Seoul to take an audition, but gets stranded on an inhabited island due to an unfortunate accident. On a deserted island, Mocha managed to survive alone on the island, but after 15 years, she rescued and returned to the world and adjusting to the modern society. Park Hyun-bin will play the role as So Mocha, a girl who rescued from island after 15 years. In a completely new and unfamiliar world, Mocha takes brave steps toward her dream of becoming a singer and does not lose her laughter and hope even in a difficult situation. Choi Jong-yeop will play the role as Kang Bo-gul, a producer of YGN's entertainment department and does a variety show based on music. He accidentally becomes entangled when he finds and rescues So Mocha. Cha Hak-yeon will play the role as Kang Woo-hak. He is Kang Bo-gul's brother and YGN's news reporter. Kim Yo-jin will play the role as Yoon Ran-ju, a gorgeous star and diva who was once a glamorous top star but is now a forgotten celebrity of the past without any fans. But Mocha loves her and really admires her. Castaway Diva is scheduled to premiere on October 28, 2023, aired in TVN every Saturday and Sunday. Number 3, A Good Day to Be a Dog, a fantasy romance series that is based on webcomic Oneldo Sarang Surogge by Lee, that published from 2017 to 2019 via Naver. The story revolves around a woman kisses someone and is cursed to transform into a dog. She must find a man who holds the key of breaking the curse, but the man he is looking for is afraid of dogs. Park Gyu-young will play the role as Han Hena, a high school Korean language teacher who cursed to transform into a dog when she kissed. However, the only person who can undo the curse is her colleague Jin So-won. Cha Eun-woo will play the role as Jin So-won, a high school math teacher who is afraid of dogs due to a traumatic event he can no longer remember. Lee Yeon-woo will play the role as Lee Bo-gyum, a high school Korean history teacher who is usually friendly to everyone but has a sense of certainty when it comes to drawing boundaries. Deep beneath his affectionate exterior, Lee Bo-gyum hides a secret. A Good Day to Be a Dog is a fantasy romance drama series that will air in MBC with 14 episodes, premiere on October 11, 2023. Starring Cha Eun-woo, Park Yoo-young, and Lee Yoon-woo. Number 4, Strong Girl Namsoon. Starring Lee Yoo-mi, Kim Jong-un, Kim Hae-suk, Ong Sung-woo, and Byun Woo-suk. The series served as a spin-off to the 2017 series Strong Girl Do Bong-soon. It tells the story of Gang Namsoon, who went missing when she was a kid in Mongolia. After growing up, she travels to South Korea to find her parents, where she met her mother, Wang Gum-ju, and Gil Gung-gan, her grandmother, and later tangled in a drug case that is investigated by Detective Gang Ha-sik. Lee Yoo-mi will play the role as Gang Namsoon, sixth cousin of Do Bong-soon. Like her cousin, she is born with superhuman strength, which she inherited from her mother and grandmother. Kim Jong-un will play the role as Wang Gum-ju, mother of Gang Namsoon, who is wealthy and a money tycoon that lives in Gangnam. Like her daughter, she is born with superhuman strength. Kim Hae-suk will play the role as Gil Jung-gan, grandmother of Gang Namsoon and mother of Wang Gum-ju, a living legend in the neighborhood of Majang. Like her daughter and granddaughter, she is also born with superhuman strength. Ong Sung-woo will play the role as Gang Hee-sik, the youngest police officer in the Gangnam Han River District Police Department, known for his sense of justice, knowledge, and moral character. He is specialized in investigating drug cases. Byun Woo-suk will play the role as Ryu Sheo, a villain driven by ambitious greed who is also the CEO of Dugo, a distribution and sales company. A comedy and a crime series that will air in JTBC with 16 episodes. It is scheduled to premiere on October 7, 2023. Number 5, Moon in the Day, also known as Moonrise During the Day. Based on a webtoon of the same name, which was published on Naver, the series tells the story of a man who is stuck in time after being killed by his lover, and a woman who has no memories of her past life and she experienced time continuously. Starring Kim Yong-dae, Pyo Ye-jin, On Ju-wan, Jung Won-in, and Lee Gyung-yang. Kim Yong-dae will play the dual role as Han Jun-oh and Do-ha. Han Jun-oh is a top star in Korea. He seems like a perfect person with a tall, handsome appearance, but he is suffer with an inferiority complex, while Do-ha was an elite aristocrat from Silla. Pyo Ye-jin will play the dual role as Kang Yong-hwa and Han Rita. Han Rita is the sole survivor of a noble family from Daegaya in the Silla dynasty, while Kang Yong-hwa is a firefighter turned bodyguard. Her life completely changed after saving a top star Han Jun-oh from a car crash. On Jun-won will play the role as Han Min-oh, Jun-oh's older brother who is the CEO of his agency Beginning Entertainment. Jung Won-in will play the role as Sok Chul-wan, the former CEO of the Beginning Entertainment who loses his company to Min-oh and becomes homeless. Moon in the Day is a fantasy romance series that will air in ENA with 14 episodes, premiere on October 25, 2023. Number 6, The Matchmakers, also known as The Battle of Marriage. Set during Joseon Dynasty, it tells the story of the meeting between the young widow Jung Son-dok and young widower Shim Jung-woo, as well as the struggle of the two will go through together to marry off the four young maidens who represents Joseon. Starring Ro-won and Cho Yi-yoon. Ro-won will play the role as Shim Jung-woo. He's an intelligent and handsome young man. He was the youngest to place first in the state examination, but he was picked to become the prince's husband. During their wedding ceremony, the princess suddenly died. Shim Jung-woo's life changed and he became the unfortunate man. Choi Yi-yoon will play the role as Jung Sun-dok. She's a widow whose late husband was the second son of the first vice premier. She secretly leads another life under the pseudonym of Yujo Dek. As Yujo Dek, she works as a matchmaker and also peddlers of women's items like cosmetics and accessories. She is the best matchmaker in the capital city of Hamyang. The Matchmakers is a historical, romantic comedy and melodrama series that will air in KBS2 with 16 episodes. Premiere on October 30, 2023. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.